I have some projects going on in the house right now. August is gonna be a huge project month for me, and I wasn't really gonna vlog this, but someone on Twitter actually mentioned that I should. So thanks for the suggestion, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that because it's kind of exciting. What this is about is the kitchen. So this kitchen has not been updated in a really long time. Like, it was, I think last time it was updated was in the 90s, and you can tell by the wallpaper. Look at this wallpaper. Like country themed, goose themed. Like, look at this countertop. Look at this sink. Country themed, dark brown. Blech. I gotta get the wall replaced. Look at this. The dogs, thanks to the dogs. So we're just gonna continue this floor into the kitchen. So it's gonna be just one. The same color that's on these walls is gonna go on this wall. And I was considering knocking this wall down, but you know, I kind of like having the divider here because I don't want the dogs to go to the living room side, because I try to keep that area nice. There's a lot that needs to be done in this kitchen. I'm only doing one thing at a time. I also have another project going on same time. And this is in my bedroom, actually. So this this is currently where I reside. And obviously I had a bunch of furniture in here. Look at this carpet though. This carpet is original carpet. It's the shag carpet. It's bleh, like I hate it. So we're gonna get this ripped up, obviously. And we're gonna get this flooring to continue into this room. And I'm gonna take this wallpaper off. That's what I'm doing today. Paint the walls. And which I'm so excited about, I'm gonna dedicate this space to my stream space. I want to get back into streaming, do some ASMR streams, and I just, you know, need some space. Oh, and I just stepped on the water. Ugh. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me on this journey so you guys can see the transitions. So yeah. And I also wanted to show you this old-timey phone that we've had, oh my god, caller ID, like we've had this phone since I can remember, and it was hanging on this wall right there. So that's going bye-bye. My dad was a little upset about that because he cannot let go of things. So let me just show you the technique I do to take off wallpaper. So I'll see how much of this I can get off. Pretty good. Screwed up. Screwed up. Let's see. Not bad. All this is wallpaper glue. And it's really a pain with the border. There's a border here too, obviously. So what I do is I take hot water and I basically douse it. So I just spray this down with hot water. Try to like soak it as best as I can. Maybe try to let it sit a minute, but I'm kind of impatient. Then I take my palette knife and then just start doing this. And it's really annoying and it's really tedious. I've tried other ways of taking it off, but this seems to, I guess, have been the best for me, even though it's not. So it's 12:23 a.m. and I just got done. Hello, Louie. Hello, honey. Hi, you guys. As you can see, I have like a huge mess. But I got it all done. It looks so bad. There's still like pieces everywhere that I gotta go through again and clean it all up, because, you know, you want to make sure that if you're gonna but if you're gonna paint, it has to be smooth. So I gotta do a lot of spackling too, because of all this that I did. But I got it all done. Oh my god, I'm so glad that's done. And the mess is just really messy. I'm just a messy person when it comes to doing stuff like this. There's water all over the table, and there was actually wallpaper up here too, which I had forgotten about. I was wanting to do my bedroom. I was hoping I could get around to that today, but this just took like a long time, longer than I was expecting. And I'm just exhausted. Hey guys, so it is now Saturday, August 6th, and my mom is actually here visiting, but I have some time today to work on my room. As you guys know, last time I didn't have enough time to get to my room, but as you can see, I just have this border here that I gotta get taken off. Oh, There's my girl. If you're wondering why I have that, it's because I'm gonna use her for future ASMR videos where I'm gonna like brush her hair. And I got that from my niece because she's into cosmetology. But anyways, I'm gonna focus on trying to get this room done in the couple hours I have today. My dad actually is taking this off because this is like the molding that was put on the floor. He just has it laying here right now, but we're gonna reuse it because it actually isn't that bad. I guess to save money. I mean, it might not cost much to get molding, but it doesn't look bad with the wall color that I'm wanting to use, and that's pretty much what the whole trim is throughout the whole house. And with the doors being dark already, I wasn't planning on changing the doors or anything like that, so I just thought, well, if we can keep it and get away with it and it look decent, then I'll do that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started and see how much we can get done today. So I just finished. It's about 7:41. It took me about 3 to 4 hours. So as you can see, it's all done. I do have some cleanup to do, as you can see. It's kind of like that all over the place. Gotta wipe down the walls. Hey guys, so it is Sunday the next day and I'm gonna continue working on the room in the kitchen. Only thing I need to do for today is to clean the walls down, spackle any areas that need to be spackled, and basically get ready for painting the ceiling either on Monday or Tuesday. I hope to do it on Monday, not 100% sure, but it'll be very soon. And this is my closet. I have to take all this stuff down because obviously you gotta paint that with ceiling paint and clear all this out because I kind of just like left this in here. This is like all my photo albums and stuff. And then my dad has to take off the molding down there, which he said he was gonna do that today. So hopefully we'll get all that done. It's kind of a lot because there's, as you saw, the kitchen wall is awful. So it's gonna take me a while to do that, but I guess let's go ahead and get started. So it was about 8 o'clock and I finally got all this room done. The walls are clean, no more paper or glue or anything. I wiped down all the walls, got all the spider webs in the corner. Yeah, there were spider webs in here. And listen to this fan. That sounds awful. I usually love ceiling fan noises, but not that. So that's eventually gonna get replaced because that's awful. And it's just so ugly, it's so old. My room is so messy, by the way. Look how messy it is. I'm gonna work on cleaning out my closet. Well, obviously cleaning my room, cleaning my closet out. I think that's all I'm gonna do for today, but tomorrow I gotta go to Home Depot and I don't think I'm doing anything else with work, but on Tuesday I'm gonna work on the kitchen. So I guess I'll be picking it back up then. Hey guys, so it is Tuesday night, 9:45 p.m. I literally just started on cleaning this wall, cleaning these walls in the kitchen. I'm not like in the mood to do this, but I have to do this because there's still a lot of work to do before the flooring gets put down. So I went to Home Depot today and I bought this stuff that would hopefully make it easier for me because there's a lot of adhesive on the wall. And I got this stuff called Goof Off. I looked at the reviews. They said it does pretty good, but it smells really bad. It smells like acetone, like nail polish remover. But I diluted it in water and kind of like, you can tell here, this is where I work so far. I still have all that to do in the border and behind the fridge. And it's gonna be a long night, I think, especially because I just started. But try to get this done today. Yeah, I mean, I guess the goof off is sort of helping a bit, but I don't know. I'm definitely not gonna make myself make it perfect because that's impossible. I'm just gonna try to do the best I can to get it done tonight and then move on from there. So pick it up in a bit. So it's about 11 o'clock and I just finished this wall. I'm actually not gonna do any more today. I just don't have the energy, and I actually, like I said, I gotta do all the spackling. So if I gotta move the fridge out and do all that stuff, climb up on the walls and everything, might as well do the spackling at the same time. And I wasn't planning on doing that today. So tomorrow, I'm gonna do that. Hopefully I have more energy tomorrow. I just have to get it all done before the 22nd. And I think if I can get the ceiling done and the walls ready to paint by next week, then I think that's pretty good. So Anyways, I guess that's it for today. I'll pick it up tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's been a while since I picked up the camera last. I think last time you saw me was when I was washing the walls down. A lot has happened since then. Pretty much everything's done in the kitchen and I'm really happy about it. Of course, there's still some odds and ends things I need to get done, but we'll get to that slowly. But yeah, I wanted to show you the ending result, which I'm super happy about. So yeah, here are the walls. No more border, no more ugly yellow, no more ugly wallpaper, and everything matches all around the house, and I just love it. So super happy about that. The floor is also done, as you can see, but you can tell that's a different color than this one because I put this down like 3 years ago and it's kind of faded. It's actually the same floor, same name, same everything, but it's just faded, I guess, faded a bit. And then this one obviously is like brand new. I got a new transition. I would have gotten something that matches the flooring more, but they said they'd have to order that and then I'd have to put it in myself, but I wanted to make sure it got done right. So I just went to Home Depot and tried to get something that matched the molding. And I wasn't sure if I wanted to put another curtain here or valance, but I think I like just the openness of it. Makes it look bigger and it makes the kitchen like a little bit brighter. I didn't realize. But there's actually, if you can see, wallpaper under this hood. So once that gets replaced, taken down, then I'll take the wallpaper off and then paint it. Also got some new registers put in. Also got a new one over there. The lighting in this kitchen is terrible. Always has been. You can't see worth a darn in this kitchen. I'll show you how bad it looks. You might not think it's bad, but I think it's really dark and I can't stand it. Look how dark it is in this kitchen. You need a good, well-lit kitchen if you're gonna cook, even though I don't cook. I got a new light that I'm gonna have someone install, a friend install, eventually, whenever he gets some time. And it's an LED color-changing flat panel. I would like to have recessed lighting. Most of the modern kitchens now have lights that are like kind of in the ceiling, but I don't have a drop ceiling. You have to have a drop ceiling, I think, for that. So the closest thing I could get to something like that is a square flat panel that's going to go flush on the ceiling, and it's going to be super bright, which is ideal for kitchens. But yeah, so that's going to be the next thing that's going to be done. I want to get some artwork to put on that wall. I just don't know of what yet. I'd like it to be the same size as that, or around the same size as the dining room picture. But that's probably going to be pretty expensive because that was like pretty expensive. So that's not anything I need to get done right now, but that's what I would like to do. So that's everything in the kitchen. Super happy about it. But like I said, still a lot of work to do. But let me show you my bedroom. So here's my room. It looks completely different, a lot brighter, a lot cleaner. And yes, I know I have these teenager looking lights on my bed, but I don't care. I mean, I like them, I think they're cute. You know, I'm single, so whatever. I don't care. This is my stream setup, and I got all this space to do whatever I want with streaming. Also, if I want to do some workouts at home, I have lots of space to do it. I want to keep this room open and, you know, spacious so I can actually do stuff. I got this new rug, which I think is cute, but look at the floor. It looks so much better. Remember that ugly green carpet I had? Yes, this is so much better. There's still more work to do in this room also. I like to get some different kinds of lights in here for streaming. I want to get some artwork on the walls, but I don't know of what. And I do want to replace that. Also got some new registers there. I can't really see it, but there's a new one over here too. Also painted the ceilings, by the way, and painted the inside of the closet. I will definitely pick up the camera when I start phase 2, the kitchen, but the big part of the project is done. Thank God, because it was so hard to find someone to come out here to do it. And if any of you guys are doing things in your house, I'm sure you also are having a hard time finding people to come to actually do the job. It's really hard to find people to do work for you. It sucks so bad. So if you like videos like this, please subscribe. I'll be posting more renovation videos type things. I think it's fun to post them and to talk about it. It's fun to see the before and after. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any questions about renovations, I don't really have too much knowledge on it, but I have a little bit of experience because I did so much to this house already. Let me know in the comments. And I guess that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you in the next video.